All right, Brian, looking over to you, I see kind of a yellowish to the sky.
Not fun, yeah. Smoke finally has entered the Puget Sound area. We really just haven't had to deal with it much all summer long, not like we have the past few summers, but here it is, and air quality will be not so great here this weekend. 57 degrees your temperature right now. Fire danger outlook. Well, it's going to be pretty bad the next couple of days, and the reason for that is because we're going to have gusty easterly winds, a very dry air mass over western Washington, and toasty temperatures as well. Fires can spread very fast in these conditions, so please be careful out there. We do not want wildfires popping up here on the west side of the mountains, especially over the next couple of days where they can grow really fast. 55 in Bellingham and Everett, down to the south in Olympia, we're at 53, and on the east side of the Cascades, we are in the low 50s. So today, a little bit warmer. We're going to be warm, we're going to be hazy. And if you live or are heading up to northern Snohomish County, Skagit County, Whatcom County, the Skagit Valley area is going to be socked in under this smoky haze today, and air quality is not going to be great up that direction today. It will be better a little farther south, but that smoke continues to move in over the next 24 hours or so, and it'll be worse tomorrow for sure. It's also going to be a lot hotter tomorrow with temperatures close to 90 degrees. So today, by noon, we're at 68. We're going to spend most of our afternoon in the 70s, but that smoky haze continues to move in today as those easterly winds kick in. And then tomorrow, close to 90. I think there'll be several spots that hit 90. The only thing that would prevent us from hitting 90 is if that smoke is thick enough. Sunday, we're still going to deal with that smoky haze in the morning. I think it will be better in the second half of the day. And then we bring back onshore flow. We cool our temperatures down close to average. Oh, and by the middle of the week here next week, we're going to be looking at much clearer skies. Guys.